You're not stuck skinny fat because of genetics. You're stuck because your training and diet are all over the place. You grind cardio, you spam crunches, maybe even bulk like it's your last meal on earth. But you're still soft in the middle, flat everywhere else. Here's the catch. This look isn't permanent. 3 fixes and you're finally out of skinny fat jail. Step 1. Build muscle, not just sweat. You keep thinking more cardio will melt the fat. Wrong. All it does is make you smaller, but still squishy. Picture a pancake. Flat arms, flat chest, flat everything. That's cardio-only training. Instead, hit the weights 3 to 4 times a week. Stick to compound lifts, squats, presses, rows, pull-ups. Add weight slowly, week by week. But wait, won't lifting make you bulky? If that were true, half the guys flexing in your gym would already look like Greek statues. Spoiler, they don't. Muscle gives you shape. Without it, you'll just keep looking like a deflated balloon. Step 2. Fix your nutrition. Here's the truth. You're either eating like a rabbit or like it's cheat day every day, and both keep you skinny fat. The fix? Eat in a slight calorie deficit. 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Balance carbs and fats. Fuel, not snack binges. Don't skip this part. Nutrition is 70% of your results. No protein, no muscle. Too much junk, your abs stay buried forever. Think of it like gas in a car. You want premium fuel, not leftover fryer oil. And no, living off protein shakes and chips doesn't count as balance. Step 3. Recover like you mean it. Here's the catch. Your body doesn't grow in the gym. It grows when you rest. And if you're sleeping 5 hours and stressing all day, good luck changing anything. So, sleep 7 to 8 hours. Walk daily. Burns fat quietly, keeps you active. Manage stress, or your belly fat will cling like it's paying rent. Sit back down. I'm not asking you to meditate in a cave or become a monk. Just stop treating sleep like an optional hobby and get your basics in check. Do this, and you'll finally trade skinny fat for lean and strong. Subscribe for more no BS guides. Now go train smart and retire the pancake body for good.